take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Luvme Hair. I have worked with them many times on my channel, so I'm super excited to be installing this wig and talking about this wig today. Today what I have installed is their 22-inch silky straight 5x5 undetectable invisible lace closure wig. Now this is called their Perm straight. This is their upgraded 2.0 version. Okay sis, 2.0, I see you.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let.
Actually, I'm gonna take my hair down because I have it like wrapped up, but I'm going to just kind of stick it in itself there.
Me, something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You always.
Okay, so this wig can definitely be worn glueless. As you can see, I think I want to spray some spray. This hair is so silky. It's gonna be so pretty. I'm gonna use this blue can of Ebon. Lightly plucking the hairline because it is a bit fuller than I would like it. Should take like no time to flat iron because it's so silky. It's very straight, you guys. Like, holy smokes. I just love a silky straight wig, you guys. Like, you don't know, it does something different to my soul. Wow, this hair though, oh my god. I'm for sure gonna bleach the knots on this wig. I believe it does come slightly bleached, but for me, I would want it even more bleached, and that's what I'm gonna do. Look at how silky she is. Wow. I didn't bleach the knot, so I just really want to define the part a little bit more, and basically to hide those knots. We are not a fan of knots. So this is what the ends look like. Hold your head straight and check, cross check. I'm just sliding it down. They should both end at the same time. If one side doesn't, that means that part is longer. I actually don't know what the iron perm straight texture really means, but what it does mean to me is it's very straight and silky. Feels softer than any of their other straight wigs that I've tried. It's just so silky. So this is where the closure ends. It's pretty generous, and I would say the 22-inch is definitely giving me longer than that. I did trim the ends, as you guys saw in the install portion, just to look a little bit more defined. I've been doing that a lot lately with my wigs, just trimming the slightest amount off, and it really does make a huge difference. You can wear it glueless or glued down. Look at the sway on this wig, so bouncy. When I have silky hair, I just want to go like this all day long. The density on this wig is 180, and it does come standard. In the description of this wig that it is made from one donor hair, it does look like that because it looks like the hair is all the same, and it's just really beautiful wig. If you are in the market for a closure wig that has HD, that is 5x5, that is silky straight with a natural density that looks so flattering on, this is for you. You don't have to do anything. You can just put it on your head and wear it. You guys saw me today do a fresh out of the box install, and I love it. Definitely recommend. This is one of my favorites. So with that being said, I definitely recommend you guys checking them out for this wig. It is super beautiful, super silky. It's just that girl. I love it. It is definitely some fine luxury hair. If you guys want to check them out, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you haven't done so already. It really does go a long way, and I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.